A long and healthy life depends on eating a balanced diet. However, did you know that the ideal diet for you depends on your gender? Despite having over 90% of the same DNA, men and women have different dietary needs and nutritional needs. Which diet is ideal for you depends on your body size, metabolic rate and reproductive function. To prevent osteoporosis, for intense, women require more calcium than male, innately reduce bone density. For the ladies, a well-consumed diet that includes the appropriate foods will make all the difference in the world. Leafy greens that are dark, a piece of salmon without eggs, you can't go wrong. Keeps checking back to find out. Asparagus. Asparagus is a highly antioxidant vegetable with numerous health benefits. Particularly for women, it is rich in folate which aids in pregnancy and prevent birth defects. It also provides estrogen aiding in menopause. Asparagus also have anti-inflammatory properties, reduce aging signs and provides glowing skin and hair. It can be enjoyed with char, grilling or pan frying. Blueberries. Blueberries are antioxidant rich superfood with essential nutrients for detoxification, immunity, muscle growth and repair. Consuming half a cup daily boosts immunity, prevent urinary tract infections and prevents memory loss. Garlic. Garlic is rich in vitamin B6, manganese and C. Is a natural flu remedy, manage high blood pressure and reduce bone loss in women. Eating dry garlic extract every day helps menopausal women to get rid of the problems related to low estrogen. Lentils. Lentils are a staple for women, especially those over 40. They help regulate weight loss and provide relief from overeating due to their slow digestion process. Vegan and vegetarian can also benefit from lentils as a substitute. Flaxseed. Flaxseed often termed a wonder food. Just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed will give you long-term health benefits. Packed with protein, carbs, fiber and numerous other important minerals and vitamins. They are beneficial for your brain, tissues and organs. Flax seeds also promote healthier looking skin and hair. From soups to salad to baked goods, they can be eaten with anything. Women should eat flax seeds every day to improve cognitive function that tends to decreases with age. They also helpful in flushing out toxins and excessive fat from the body. The dietary fiber present in these seeds help your gut and digestion healthy as well. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritious and easy digestible breakfast option, providing essential nutrients like omega-3, phosphorus and protein. They are linked to reducing breast cancer risk and are versatile, affordable and easy available. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in nutrients, are found in various foods and can provide health benefits like weight control, reduce cancer risk and even help fight depression. Especially beneficial for women, they can be added to salads or soups. Coniferous vegetable. Cabbage, collard green, arugula, broccoli and bok choy. Pairing these with other colorful vegetables like yellow bell peppers and carrot will provide all types of vitamins and nutrients and minerals important for staying healthy. These foods not only look pretty but when eaten regularly they reduce the chances of develop breast cancer. Coniferous vegetables are also unique because they have sulfur containing compounds which are known to have cancer fighting properties, reducing inflammation, regulate blood sugar and enhance heart health. Have you been eating these foods regularly? Which is the one food that you will add to your diet after watching the video? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.